How fast does degenerative disc disease progress? Is it rapid or is it slow? And I'll tell you what, yes, it could be. Everybody's different. I have seen 16-year-olds with degenerative discs and done disc replacements. And I've seen 73-year-olds with one little bulge of a disc and their discs all look like they're 20. It just depends on your genetics, I believe, mostly. Degenerative disc disease is something that often you'll see runs in families. I have it, my brother has it, my mom had it. So it's pretty common to run, and the rate of degeneration is highly variable. Some people degenerate very rapidly. I've seen people degenerate next to other discs within 6 months, and I've seen people 15 years later with normal films next to their degenerative discs and no further progression. It's highly variable. I hope you understand. Thank you.